In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify a card on Apple Pay. By the end, you'll have your card added, verified, and ready to tap and pay with your iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. It's the gray gear icon on your home screen. Make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in with your Apple ID, since that helps the setup go smoothly. Next, scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. This is where all your payment cards, transit passes, and Apple Cash live. If you're new to Wallet, don't worry, everything here is designed to be straightforward and secure. Now, tap Add Card. On the next screen, choose Debit or Credit Card to get started, then tap Continue. This brings you to the part where you provide your card's information. You can scan your card using your iPhone's camera, which is usually the fastest option. Hold your card in a well-lit area and line it up inside the frame on the screen. The camera will read the number automatically. If the scan doesn't capture everything, or if you prefer, you can enter the details manually. Type in the card number, expiration date, and the security code exactly as they appear on your card. Double check for typos before moving on to avoid delays. Once your card details are in, it's time to complete verification. Your bank will send a 6-digit verification code to confirm it's really you adding this card. This code typically arrives within moments. When you receive it, enter the 6-digit code in Apple Pay to confirm your card. If the code doesn't arrive right away, give it a minute and make sure you have a good signal. If you enter the code and it doesn't work, request a new code and try again. For your security, never share this verification code with anyone. After you enter the correct code, you're all set. Your card will be verified and ready to use in Apple Pay. You'll see it appear in your wallet, and you can make it your default card if you'd like. From here on, you can pay in stores by holding your iPhone near a contactless reader and authenticating with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Quick recap: open Settings, go to Wallet and Apple Pay, tap Add Card, enter or scan your details, verify with the 6-digit bank code, and you're done. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.